Box with lid and the following contents inside, small box with tourniquet, small paper bag with safety pins, paper bag with aromatic smelling tubes, metal box with lid containing elastoplast, textile triangular bandage wrapped in brittle crystal paper, 2, bandages, folded, 1, and rolled, 1, packages with cotton wool.
Hey John, Carl here at T1G. We have gotten a lot of comments from all you internet ninjas out there asking us what they need to have in their IFAK, their individual first aid kit. Army issues them, Marines issue them, everybody issues these things. You can buy them at Bass Pro Shop. You can buy them everywhere now. They come with everything in them. I take the store-bought ones, the military issue ones, I open them up, and honestly, I take half the crap out of it because you don't need it. That's the truth behind it. You want to know what I carry? I'm going to show you. I practice what I preach. Mine's on the back of my belt where I can reach it with either hand. Tourniquet's up where I can reach it, but start that puppy off right on top with another tourniquet. All right. This is the Soft T Wide, the new one. Again, this is what I prefer to use on someone else. All right. Next after that would be, I'll dig it out in the back. Where is it at? You want to carry a nasal trumpet, or what they prefer to call a
wow.
Is this to hold a mess kit? No?
I imagine getting it back in is lots of fun.
Gauze and tape, ace bandage.
Okay, starting to look like a first aid kit.
We had a powder that we sprinkled on us and then bandage it up. This is much nicer.
This is more or less something like we used to have.
A jump rope.
Uh-huh.
It was an OD bundle with gauze set up in there to soak it up, stop it. Oh yeah, and this one here will wrap around tight and hold it that way. The old type is nowhere near nothing like that. You had to